The 2018 Nissan Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: Bluetooth, power steering, cruise control, center armrest, CD player, power door locks, power windows, side airbag, clock, intermittent wipers, tachometer, overhead console, power mirrors, tilt steering wheel, rear view camera, power outlets, cup holders, vanity mirrors, tinted glass. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.